This is a date seed. How can we break this? We tried everything, we couldn't break it. Now we're grinding it in Demirbas Machine's Spice Grinder. We ground the date seed, which is very hard to grind, with the Demirbas Machine Spice Grinder and turned it into powder. Our machine comes with 3 types of sieve systems. You can also order this machine from Demirbas Machine with peace of mind to turn your tough spices or many spices like cinnamon, ginger and cloves into powder at your desired fineness.